Yan, wala. Outdated yung iyo ko.
Female.
Female. Jinx!
Akala ko bakit yung female.
Episode
Sabi
3.
sa inyo episode 3 talaga to Pinagmumukha niyo lang baliw kanina.
Okay, don't text while driving.
Ang bago
Drive
pa
safely,
mag-trip ni
dear.
Gaga.
Same. What? Lalaki tayo? Ay, babae tayo?
Pretty lady, tapos ganyan na tsura natin tatlo.
Si Lawrence, bakit ka nandyan, Lawrence?
Mama,
see.
bring some dog food. This guy is getting hungry.
Ano? Kuha ako dog food, ah. Asan yung dog food? Minag doon ka nga. Ba't pa yung maikot?
What is that?
Hindi ko pa na
One more thing. Don't ever stop on the road.
Pwede dito na lang muna kami. Dito na kami matutulog. Dito na kami lahat. Ay, dito pa kami yan mo yun, dito na lang kami. Please.
Car broke down.
My car broke down.
You're the girl from the gas stop. What are you doing here? Hey again. My car broke down. Please help. Going?
Ito dyan.
I was driving home.
Uy, ba't niya sinabi? Napaka-creepy ng lalaki niya, no?
Huh. Jeff. Huh.
Bakit ko na pumipindot?
Hindi ako pumipindot. My name is Jason. Huh? Jason
Nice to meet you lang. Would
Nice
you
to meet
sabihin
you.
yung pangalan, please?
Nice to meet you.
Isa ka na pumito. Tinatamad ako.
Can you remove those logs from the road, please? Okay, but don't leave me.
Hindi ako nagpindot na.
Hindi ako nagpindot, ah.
Kaya niyo na yun.
Paano to, bay?
But please get back in the car.
It's one of them. I don't want to sound like that idiot, but just remember, don't trust anybody.
I won't trust you. Okay.
May Robux ka, di ba?
Gagi,
You're
pumunta agad
ashamed of
There you go.
yourself.
Bye. Wala na tayong pera mo yun.
Lemon bottle.
Yung pinakamura na lang, boy. Lemon bottle.
Oo, lemon bottle pinakamura, di ba?
Hoy, bakit cola bottle to? One missed voice call. Yeah, we're so dead.
Ito kumakanta, Lawrence.
Gregor, but
Maglalaro tayo, dapat di ako kumakanta. Maglalaro tayo.
Gregor!
kaya mo yan.
Go to the bathroom.
Oh, yeah.
I will goon in there. Oh my god, stop.
Bibigyan ko yung ano pa rin.
That's a weird laugh you have there.
Ba't iniwan natin yung gamit natin sa labas?
Yung gamit natin sa labas. Oo,
Jinx!
Ano ba ako? Pinalakad niyo pa ako dito, kukunin niyo din ako.
Akala ko nag-echo ako. Gusto yung make exact words yung ano. Sinabi namin yung rocks.
Hindi ko rin alam.
Kidnappers are in the scout protect. Ano tayo signal?
Ang lang taon, wala pa.
Hoy. Okay, boy, let's turn on the TV.
Pag ginam-scare ko kayo, huwag kayo magugulat.
Yo! Oh my God! Oh my God, twist! Grabe yung plot twist! Oh my God!
Wait lang, sino yan?
Tatalaga yun.
Nakamukha ni Lawrence.
Ah?
Ang layo, boy! Ang layo, boy!
Natutulog for 2 hours.
Nakita ko sa video.
Yan.
Oh my gosh.
Yan, natatakot ako. Natatakot ako. Hot latte.
Tagal-inwit ba to?
Ayan, pangit. Pangit ang
You're reserved.
We need to off the sound. Ano yan? Ano yan?
Paano namatay? Nasa kwarto lang naman ako. Wag! No!
Wait it out. But may music.
brother.
Ang pangit ng tugtog.
Saan niyo ba nakuha yun?
Go. Wait. Bro, I fell dead on the ground. I guess I'm the crazy one here.
Nababali ako. Sino ba yung kumakanta?
Hindi ako.
What? No, yung kayo.
What?
Ba't isang F lang yan, boy?
It was right here. I can't find it. Go back to the and don't come out. Mali grammar yun. It has skills.
Ayun.
Will help.
Pag ito naman yung repression skills po.
Ang random naman ang kansa nakakapit.
Oh my gosh.
Oh no.
Magaging bad natin.
Huh? I couldn't believe my eyes.
Oh my god, I can't believe my eyes.
I got this nice guy called Tommy by my side. What? Parang hindi yan si Tommy, boy.
Ano ba yan? Isang oras na yun?
3 a.m.
Yo!
Puta.
Thanks, Dad. What?
Wag, no!
Oh, nagpe...
Boy, ito yung ano, yung electric fan, may din natin gawin yung pangampas.
Pretty
Kaya
lady,
try naman natin itong patayin eh. Apat tayo na siya.
come on over.
Yan mo.
I will get you.
Boy, may baril na dito. Secret ending.
Don't open the door.
Ang inang secret ending yan, 99.
I hid in the closet from the kidnapper.
Pindutin nyo, hindi na close ito. Pindutin nyo.
Mall. Mall. Yo.
Ang baho mo, Mina.
Ano man, hindi na kagad na rin. Gusto mo niya.
Tangan niya pag hindi siya tumingin dito. Yes! I really wish the best for Tom. He saved my life that day. Thank you, Tom. I went home on the airplane. My dad doesn't know about this story at all. I had never gone on long trips then. Good ending. Tom arrived before it was too late. You escaped the kidnappers.
El que quiera perder el tiempo que lo pierda. De diablo, tú sabes lo que es.